The hidden costs of buying a car, unveiling the truth. Hey there. So, you're thinking about buying a car? That's fantastic. But before you get too excited, let's chat about something that often gets swept under the rug, the hidden costs of owning a car. Believe it or not, these costs can sneak up on you and leave quite a dent in your budget. Here we're going to dig into the true cost of car ownership, uncovering those pesky hidden fees, maintenance costs, and insurance premiums that can quietly drain your wallet. The shocking reality, what the salesperson doesn't tell you. You know that feeling when you think you've found the perfect car, and then, bam! The final price is way higher than expected? Yep, we've been there too. It's not just about the sticker price, folks. There are hidden fees like destination charges, dealer markup, and documentation fees that can quickly inflate the price. It's like buying a house with a surprise basement you didn't budget for. Let's not forget the extended warranties and add-ons that dealers often try to sell you at the last minute. These can sound appealing, offering peace of mind, but they come at a premium, adding to the final cost of your vehicle. Beyond the MSRP, hidden fees. Let's break it down a bit, shall we? The MSRP, or manufacturer's suggested retail price, is just the starting point. Dealers often add destination charges to cover the cost of shipping the car to the dealership. Then there's the dealer markup, which is basically extra cash the dealer adds to the price for profit. And don't forget those documentation fees. Yep, they even charge you for the paperwork. Moreover, there are other less talked about expenses like vehicle preparation fees and advertising fees, which can catch you off guard if you're not careful. These seemingly small charges can add up quickly, making your dream car a lot more expensive than you initially thought. Financing finesse. Now, financing a car can feel like navigating a maze. Understanding interest rates, loan terms, and potential penalties for early repayment is crucial. Choose the wrong path, and you might end up paying way more than you bargained for. It's like going through a drive-thru and leaving with a full-course meal when you just wanted fries. A common pitfall is the allure of low monthly payments, which often stretch the loan term, resulting in more interest paid over time. It's vital to look at the total cost of the loan rather than just the monthly amount to ensure you're getting the best deal. Taxes and title. Oh, and we can't forget about taxes and title. You've got sales tax, which varies by state, and then there are registration fees and the cost of obtaining a car title. It's like buying a club membership. You think the joining fee is all you need, but then come the monthly dues and maintenance fees. Ouch! Additionally, some states require emissions testing and inspection fees, which can add another layer of cost. These recurring expenses are mandatory, so it's essential to budget for them annually to avoid any surprises. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, when you're budgeting for a car, remember to factor in these hidden costs. It's easy to focus on the monthly payment and overlook the extras. But trust us, those extras add up faster than you can say road trip. Also, consider the long-term costs of owning a car, like fuel, regular maintenance, and potential repairs. These are ongoing expenses that are often underestimated, but they can significantly impact your budget over time. If you're wondering how to manage these costs, we'd suggest doing a bit of research. Look up the fees in your area, compare insurance rates, and maybe even talk to a financial advisor. Knowledge is power, after all. And hey, if you've got any tips or stories about hidden car costs, we'd love to hear them. Sharing is caring, right? By being informed and prepared, you can make a purchase that truly fits your financial plan, ensuring that your new car brings joy rather than financial stress.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.